I'm excited to be here with Alejandra Verde Medina, who is going to organize a gathering. Where are you going to organize a gathering and when?
Hello. So I'm planning the gathering in Mexico, more specifically in the Yucatán Peninsula, which is a region. The exact location is yet to be defined based on the best suitability of places I'm still looking for. And I'm seeing it for November, particularly 14 to 17, more or less, because that's a weekend and there's a holiday, so people will have more availability. But yeah, it's not 100% confirmed. So November is a good time of the year also because it's not that hot as sometimes it can get. And the rainy season is over, so I think it's a good period to do it.
Beautiful. November 2025, yes.
Yeah,
Great. And what is your motivation for organizing a gathering there?
to bring more people awareness about the regenerative movement and the people that is already in it to get to know each other, to join forces, also as an exercise of living in community, even if it's a short period of time, for people to experience this union and this peace and this collaboration, this interest between others, and to raise the spirit, raise the energy, because I participated in the gathering in Portugal last year. And for me, as well as for everyone I knew there, it was a life-changing experience. It was super inspiring. So I would love to share this and multiply it in my country because there's a huge potential there. Nature is beautiful and people also is very well-hearted. And I know that sometimes we feel like we lack support and that we are not understood or that we are not allowed to do nature conservation and to help communities, and that is something only for philanthropy, but we need everyone on board to really make a change in the world.
That's beautiful. And what support do you need? What help or support do you need from the community to make it happen?
I think it first spreading the message for everyone to know that this is happening, and not only this one, but all the other gatherings. So to raise the regenerative movement in everyone's vision and mind. And more specifically for the event that I will organize, well, now I'm talking with some people to find the venue. I'm open for more suggestions. Also, yeah, for letting people know that this is taking place so more people can come if they are interested. And also to identify the specific sectors that are mostly relevant for Mexican particular situation. For example, the indigenous peoples is something really strong in Mexico. We have more than 100 uh, indigenous languages still alive. So that's great and something that needs to be highlighted, or the feminist movement, because Mexico has still a quite macho culture. So it's something that we need to shake a little bit. And yeah, just to make sure that all the relevant sectors are represented. And then for logistics, probably, but well, it's a matter of finding the right partners, I guess, the local partners for the logistics. So yeah, spreading the message is a great step that everyone can take. And then having conversations, connecting with people, because that's what it is all about, connecting with the right people so we find what we can do together.
Beautiful. Well, I look forward to seeing you in Mexico in November then.
Yes, come. Come to Mexico and see the Mexican version.